And here's how to play games in Discord. First of all, go to your Discord server and make sure you are the owner or the admin of the server. Now we have to add a bot in our server. So open a new tab and type here activities bot Discord, search for it, and here you find this activities bot. Click on that, and here we can see the activities bot. Click on add app and select your server, in which server you want to play game, and add the activities bot. Ensure that you are a human, and that's it. Here we can see the activity bot successfully added. Now before playing a game, we have to join a voice channel. So you can select a existing voice channel, or you can create a new channel. Select voice channel, and I'm giving channel name game, for example, and let's create this channel. Now simply join a voice channel. Once you are in a voice channel, now type this command /activity, and through the activity bot, here you see this command, select this command. Now click on channel and select your voice channel, in which channel you want to play game, and in this activity you have to select a game from this available game list. In my case, I'm selecting this Color Together. Once you successfully selected the game that you want to play, hit on enter, and now click on this click to open game. Just click on this link, and here you can see the game is loading. And now as you can see, I can play game on my Discord. So this is how we can play game in Discord. Thanks for watching.